I want you to do a clockwise, or I will mirror you depending on how you look at it. I want you to start over here with both poi on this side and bring it up into what is your clockwise pinwheel, because that's not your preference. And then get it high, so no sloppiness like this. We don't want it falling down like this more into a corkscrew. Long, elongated head, your hands are above, yes, beautiful. Your hands are above your eyebrows the whole time. And now turn your body to your right, 90 degrees, and come into overhand giant. And then I want you to turn 90 degrees to your left into underhand giant. 180 degrees to underhand giant. And then we're gonna go back into that swivel where you're facing me. This is your weaker swivel if I recall correctly. Oh, yes. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna drill. Let's take your left hand like this, overhand, and then go front to back, front to back, front to back. Now take your left hand and do a big circle and a big circle. And swivel to the right, swivel to the left, swivel right, swivel left, but not really all the way, just enough to get the poi around the back side and the front side, and the back side and the front side, and the back side and the front side. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then let's do your right arm. Start your right hand in underhand, also clockwise, and we'll go front to back, front to back, front to back, and now make it big. Front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back, front. Now go to your right into overhand giant with both hands. And when your left one hits the bottom of the turn, turn left to underhand giant. And when your right one hits the top of the turn, turn right to overhand giant. And when your left one hits the bottom of the turn, turn left to underhand. Turn right to overhand. Turn left to underhand. And swivel, 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 swivel. Yeah. When you go from this one to this one, I think you're stronger in that, but then what you're doing is when you're coming from this one, you're like leaning like that instead of staying upright, going side to side. So if I were mirroring you, you want to be looking to the front and going from your back to your front, to your back to your front, which would look like this. And let's do 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, and 12, 11, 10, 9, 8 more, strong core, 7 and 6, and looking forward, and 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, and last one. Now turn to your right into overhand giant, and then underhand to overhand to underhand, or just face the front, and you're going clockwise, front and back with each hand.